The number one way to make money with affiliate marketing. What's up, guys? It's Derek with Arshis Productions, and today we're back with a video. I'm going to be telling you guys the number one way I believe to make money with affiliate marketing. And, well, there's plenty of other ways, but this is the number one way and super easy. It takes just minutes to set up the whole process and then just start driving traffic, and that's all it takes. So on my last video I was talking about finding affiliate products, and we're back on Clickbank, which is the number one, if you don't know, I would say the number one place to find affiliate products to promote. And they got all the sports, SEO sections. So all you have to do is find a product that you think is a good one to promote and that you think people will want. And then, so I'll just show you. Let's just go into e-business, e-marketing. And then let's go by gravity. Just shows there's more. These are like the ones that are becoming more popular. So you got bulletproof profits, affiliate bots, starting from zero audiobook. Let's check what this one is. See how this one's it comes up with a video. I think the number one that are best to promote are ones that have videos, because someone's not going to sit here and want to read all this. The ones with the videos are nice because they people are lazy. They like to watch than read. Let's just say that. So I'm going to keep that one up there just in case. See the other ones. 7 minutes daily profits. This one for 460. And if you don't know, right here, that one where that's only a $2 average that you would give to promote that. But that is also just a book. And lots of people could do that one. But $467 for this one. That's John Crestani. He's a big marketer. But I say let's just go with this starting from zero free book. Discover the 5-step framework I use to help my students go from zero to selling 31 million products in my audiobook now. See, that's catching. It's just a book for cheap. And you're only going to make this much, but once again, with this strategy I'm showing you, you'll be able to capture their email, and so you can promote other products to them later down the line. So we're just going to go promote, get this link, copy that, and then let's see if there's anything. See, this is always nice to see that they'll be featured on this thing. Alright, so what we'll be doing to promote, or to help promote, making everything easier, is using Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels is, I believe, the best funnel maker and like web page creator to help promote products. There is others like Builderall. It's another good one I've heard, but this is the one I think is the best. It's the most popular. So you got all these different funnels in different auto webinar, so many different options. We're just gonna use a classic funnel builder for now though. See, we're gonna collect emails. Gonna name this starting from zero. I just got that from the name of the thing we're reproing. Build funnel. And then you have all these there's so many different templates you can use to promote products. But I think all these ones with all these pictures and stuff, they'll do good for certain products, but if it doesn't really mix in with the one you're promoting, it kind of gets in the way. Instead of just having a simple one. So we're just going to scroll down here. Let's see. Let's just go with this one. Let's preview this one. See, look how simple this it gets. That's the only thing on the page. The person can't get distracted by some lady over here showing off something. It's just right to the thing, get their email, send them to get the book. So we're going to use this one. So let this load in. Then we're going to edit the page. So it's so easy. Look at all the different options you can edit with. But first we're going to go settings. We're going to go to general. And see on submit go to. This is where you want to paste in that Clickbank link. See where it says Clickbank? This is that. So once they click download, we're going to change that. But where it says they click the button, it's going to send them straight to this page and with your link, so you'll get paid for promoting this product. So we're going to save that. Template name, starting from 0. Okay, we'll go back in here, and so let's change this title. Let's go let's just go from 0 to selling over 31 million products, and just copy that, come over here, paste that in there. Let's see, let's make this. See how it's so easy. I'm just copying, pasting it from over here, and let's bold that, do that, get that, make that more focal point, and then let's grab just another part from this other page. Just once again, just copy and pasting it over, and then this is by far the most important spot right here, is getting the email. So once they put their email in and get the go to the next page, you'll have their email on your list. And then once you build your list up and up and up, and more people on there, that's where you're going to start making the most money. So once you get your list with lots of people, you can go in again and start promoting other products to them by emailing them to them, giving them like free stuff, and then a couple days later sending them another link to another book or another product that can make you more income off the affiliate links that you'll promote them with. So let's just grab your copy today. Let's just go grab your book now. And see, there's so much. You can change the font, you can change the font size, just make that a little bigger, change the color. There's so many different things. You can change the button and all, but this is how simple it is to just find a product, see if it's a good one, make a funnel. That just took me barely any time, but you'll want to go in and make it look more professional, maybe like change this so it doesn't completely copy over, but that's the way I do it. And then once you finish this part, all you have to do is start bringing traffic to this and then building up your list, and then just start making a buttload of money off promoting your list. And that's it. And that's all there is. That's what I think is the number one way to promote your affiliate products. There's so many other different ways. There's paid advertising, but using ClickFunnels, just using Clickbank and ClickFunnels, just how they have click in both their names, they go together so well. So that's all for that, and then you just have to get traffic. But I'll put a link down below to ClickFunnels if you want it. You can get a 14-day free trial to get started making funnels. I'll put Clickbank too down below. And I hope to see people start building lists more and getting people on there and making a lot more money. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.